Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please tap the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can spread this video to more people. Alright, so let's get right into it. The video tonight, I'll be showing you the cipher for tonight. The cipher for tonight is NFT. Right, so we'll go right into it and claim our 1 million coin for the night. So tap your end to tap thrice. Alright, to switch to the cipher mode. Now in the cipher mode, the N word is, to achieve the N word is a tap, dash, and a tap for N. So to hold your dash, you hold for 2 seconds and leave, and a tap. That's your N. While your F is 2 dots, 1 dash, 1 dot. Right? So let's go. 2 dots, hold and leave, and 1 dot. F. The last letter there is T. Your T is a single dash. So hold on and leave. T. There you go. That's the price for today. So go ahead and take your price, and thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you tomorrow for the combo.